Alright, I just got done filming my last video, and if you guys have not seen it, I will leave it up here and also down below for you guys to go watch. But yeah, it was basically a video talking about how I want a nose job, how I think it will be the best thing for me. I thought about it for a while. It's a big decision, and it's just something I want. And I have not yet seen the results or the outcome or what you guys think of that video, because I'm filming this right after I filmed it, so I have not uploaded it or anything yet. But I want to thank everybody who was supportive about it, and for people that love me for me and who I am, and if I want that, and if it's my decision, you go for it if you think it will actually make you happy. I really appreciate all of the love, and you know I'm gonna get some hate on that video, even though it is an April Fool's prank. I can't wait to upload this so you guys don't think I'm actually serious. I hope this doesn't spread any rumors or anything. But yes, it is all an April Fool's prank, and I'm not getting a nose job. I get so many comments still to this day about my nose. Like literally on my yoga challenge video, one of the first comments, not even 30 minutes into uploading that video, I got a comment about my nose. And at this point, I'm kind of just like, whatever. Like, hate comments, truthfully, don't really get to me anymore. And I know I mentioned in the prank video that I just did that I always show you guys that I don't care about hate comments, but in reality, they do get to me. And I mean, it's not that I totally do not care about hate comments. You know, I read them, I see them, and when they're about my nose, I just kind of am so used to it at this point. And I know some of my subscribers or people that watch me look up to me, and I find that absolutely amazing. And my advice to you is, if you have something about yourself, about your face, your body, anything that you feel like you want to change because you don't like it, you're insecure about it, I would say do not change it because other people told you to change it. Do not change it because people told you you're ugly if you don't. Do it because it would make you happy and because it's your own decision for yourself. I know that, for example, a nose job, I have thought about it multiple times, and it's something that I actually wanted a couple of years ago, and I was like 100%, like, not a doubt in my mind, like, let's go get a nose job, like, I need to fix this. And that was a personal feeling. I did not want a nose job because comments told me I should get a nose job. I wanted to change it because I felt like it would honestly change my life and make me live better, which sounds ridiculous, but if you guys have something like that about yourself, you'll totally 100% understand. I know, for example, Gabby DiMartino, she got a nose job and it completely changed her life. She loves the way her nose looks. She just, like, doesn't regret it. You know, I thought about that and I was like, well, if I do get a nose job, like, I will have the nose that I want. Even though I still really don't like my nose in reality, God gave it to me and it makes me part of who I am, and I learned to accept that and love me for me, regardless of if I have a big nose, you know, if I have whatever. But some people, you know, just have things about themselves that no matter how much they try and love themselves, they just can't, and I understand that that's something that can get in the way. So yeah, if you truly think that you want to change something, I would say take lots of time to think about it. Don't just do it impulsively, because it is a big decision. It is honestly life-changing. But if you think that is the best for you, I would say go ahead and do it, and really make sure you're thinking about all of the possible outcomes. There are surgical mistakes sometimes. Stuff can go wrong if you don't like it, you know, it's kind of like there. And that's what got to me, and that's what kind of made me lean away from not getting one. And also, like I said, about it's part of who I am, and I understand that you're not going to please everybody. So yeah, I hope you guys don't get too mad at my prank. I know I seemed very serious in that video, and my eyes were red, and it looked like I was like about to cry, and like my voice was like that because I just woke up. My voice is kind of still like that, but my eyes were watery because I can get into like a character, and that's because I took acting class. Like, I learned how to like fake cry and stuff. So yeah, I'm so sorry. I've never pranked like my viewers or my subscribers like ever before, so this is a first for me. If I got you guys, let me know down below. And I know there's gonna be people saying, well, she probably did want a nose job and she uploaded that video just to get people to see what they thought, and then she saw all the negative feedback and then she changed her mind. That is not the case. If you look in the video, I don't know where I'll put it yet because I didn't edit that video yet. In the video, there's a little Easter egg and hidden text in there. So I obviously tried not to make it noticeable because that's the whole point of like pranking you guys to actually get you. But yeah, it is currently 10:30 and I have lots of editing to do because I have to post it by today. Again, try not to take my last video too seriously. It was just kind of like a lighthearted joke, and I was not bashing nose jobs at all. Like, I literally legitimately thought about getting one. There's nothing wrong with them if you want to get one done. Yo, I just uploaded this video not even a minute ago, and it almost has 100 views, 16 comments. Oh my god. If this goes the wrong way, what do I do? I'm gonna have live reactions right here. I'm gonna read the comments, see the feedback, if it's positive, negative, what's going on. I'm already having lots of comments like, oh my god, you're perfect, like, I wish I had your nose, stuff like that. Which, comments like that honestly like make my day. Oh my god, I was really scared to upload this. Literally about a minute before I started recording this footage right now, I was like, oh my god, like, what if people like take it the wrong way? And like, I literally mean no harm or bad intentions by this video whatsoever. You guys are so sweet. So I was just reading through some more comments, and there's again lots of like, oh my god, like, you shouldn't change it, like, do what makes you happy. I'm seeing lots of those, and people that are like agreeing with me. Then I scroll down and I see this comment, and I'm like, Also, here is the little hidden message, if you can see it. Yeah, I honestly feel really bad for doing this. I was honestly even hesitant on posting it, but I thought it was a little different for my channel, and I just want to bring you guys some new, different types of content for you guys. So it's more enjoyable, and it's not just the same old boring stuff over and over again. Yeah, I don't see one negative comment, like, oh, like, you need it, or like anything.
They'll come tomorrow when you post that video.
Yeah. Nobody caught on to the hidden Easter egg yet, though. I don't want people to think that I'm just, like, doing this as one big joke. Like, the nose job, getting a nose job is kind of, like, the prank, because I'm not actually, but everything that I did mention in that video about, like, I am insecure about my nose, that is true. I really am. But, like I mentioned before, it's something that I've just, like, kind of learned to deal with. I also noticed, as I'm, like, scrolling through these comments, I had the one girl say that she's getting, like, a nose job in a couple weeks, so I know that there's other people out there, like, struggling and dealing with the same thing, and I just want you guys to know that you're not alone. Other people feel the same exact way. Just know that you're not alone. Everybody deals with insecurities, things that they don't like about themselves, and I feel like even if I were to change my nose or get a nose job or whatever, I feel like I would just find something else, and it would just, like, make it look so different, and maybe I wouldn't like my eyes because they would look unproportionate because I'm used to seeing myself like this. So yeah, people are always going to find something to, you know, point out and pick out. And I also just want to mention that a nose job might be the option for some people, and if it is, I totally support that. I have nothing against that. I've thought about it multiple times, but as of right now, I just can't picture myself, like, actually going through with it. I know a lot is involved, and I don't know, I just really can never picture myself, like, going through all that. I'm not saying I would never get one. I'm just saying as of right now, it's not, like, you know, something that I would actually go through with. I would love to, but I couldn't actually picture myself doing it. And it's really sad because you might look at yourself and find something wrong and be like, oh, I hate this. But somebody else might look at it and be like, oh my god, I love that. I wish I had that. And, you know, it's all just, like, a personal preference. So just because you don't like something doesn't mean everybody else, it's noticeable to them and it's the first thing they notice. That's what I thought for the longest time. I don't know, it's usually not as bad as you think it is. You're just, like, focused on it. So yeah, that's what I learned from all of this. I was reading through some more of the comments, and I happened to scroll upon a comment from somebody that I know. I used to hang out with him a lot, and he was a really good friend of mine, and I feel really bad that, like, everybody's believing it, basically. Let's just say that. And I feel really bad because, like, he's really supportive, and he's super nice, and I feel bad that, like, I'm pranking him because, like, I don't know, I feel like, I don't know. If you're happening to watch this, you know who you are, and I'm so sorry. I had one of you guys reach out to me on my Snapchat and send me the most adorable paragraph about how I don't need to change anything about myself, but if I want to, I should, and things like that. And it was just, like, really sweet. And I feel so bad now because she mentioned that the video brought her to tears. That was not my intention. I thought, like, people were just gonna be like, I thought there was gonna be maybe, like, 30% that believed it, and then, like, the other 70% would just be like, oh, that's April Fool's. Like, Honestly, with this whole video, I realized by reading the comments and seeing how many people relate and have something that they really do feel insecure about, I just want to turn this whole thing into like a message and kind of let you guys know that you don't have to change anything about yourself to be beautiful. You guys see all the comments that I'm getting and all the love that you guys are bringing me, which I am absolutely so thankful for. So it is now about 7 o'clock, so the video has been up for a couple of hours by now, and I've been reading comments here and there, and you guys, I cannot believe I did not get more people, and I only saw about like 3 or 4 comments that like was like, oh, is this April Fool's prank? Like, is this a joke? And I'm like so overall surprised because I feel like it was very, very obvious, like especially because yesterday I posted, so like I usually don't post back to back. I'm also gonna be going on live tonight around like maybe 8 or 9 o'clock to spill the news to whoever watches my live, so they'll get a little sneak peek. I don't go on live often, but definitely be sure to have your notifications on so you know when I go live to join, because I do sometimes give exclusive information on there. If you guys take anything out of this whole thing, I want it to be a lesson, and I want you guys to know that you are beautiful the way you are, no matter what you feel insecure about, no matter what you don't like about yourself. Everybody is beautiful in their own way, and that's what makes them them. I saw so many uplifting and positive comments, and it just honestly made me so happy because I just pictured YouTube to be some like cruel place, you know. Like, that just made me like so happy just knowing that I have such a supportive and loving fan base. If I did want to get a nose job, you guys would be all for it. If I didn't, you guys accept me either way, and I just like love that. Like, I don't know. So yeah, when I spill the news, I hope it doesn't go the wrong way, and I hope you guys aren't too mad at me. So yeah, that was it for my April Fool's Day prank. I'm not even gonna ask for a thumbs up on this video because I don't think I deserve it, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'm so sorry guys.